Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. Chris back with you with another product review. Today's video, we have the brand new color from Axwell Minimalistic Wallets. This is going to be the Damascus Nebula color. So this color is absolutely stunning, and we're going to take a quick look at that. And we also have the Axwell Axe bottle opener we're going to take a look at in just a second. Now, if you are not familiar with the Axwell wallets, they have many different colors to choose from. They have like burnt orange, and we're going to get to the key features of that in a second. They also have their signature copper. I've done a full review video on those colors, as well with their blue, absolutely stunning. Now, top link in the description box below of the video will be the Axwell wallets, where you guys can pick them up yourself and read more about them. Without further ado, let's get this guy open, because this is what we have come to see. And ooh, wowzer. That is a beauty, ladies and gentlemen. Goodness gracious. Let's get all the goodies out. So we have our money clip. I'm going to show you how to lock that in. We have a little instruction card and a sticker there. And we have the wallet here. That is absolutely stunning. So the number one feature of Axwell is their face plates, or I should say cover plates. They are removable by magnets. And if you are wondering, they are nice and secure, so they're not going to fall off on you while you're getting your money in and out, your card in and out. And they come with the cash strap already on it, and the back also removes by just slipping your fingernail underneath one of the edges. Either side, doesn't matter, and you just lift up and they go back into place. Now, with the cash strap, if you are wondering, if you pull it too much, then obviously it will come off because it is magnets. So if you're putting your cash in, just kind of do it like this. Slip it in, latch it down, and you're good to go there. Now, if you buy multiple Axwell wallets, this is where it comes really fun to do. Now, with the Damascus Nebula, I'm not sure if you would want to do this or not, totally up to you, but you could have flavor on both sides with copper and that color, or of course, rock it the way you want to rock it. Now, something to keep in mind is the material of the Damascus Nebula and the copper. The cover plates do weigh more on the copper and the Damascus Nebula, where this one is a little bit lighter, because I believe that's either aluminum or that's steel on these ones. So just know that you can switch out these ones as well. You could put copper on burnt orange, etc. And so right in the middle with the elastic band, that's where, of course, you put your cards here, and then you're going to thumb it up, spread out your cards here. We're going to show you that in just a second. This wallet does have RFID wireless theft protection, and it is made of aerospace grade materials. They do have a lifetime warranty on their wallets. Okay, so I got 6 cards in here right now, and that's the easiest way that I have found to release the cards. And so what I do is I just kind of grab it like this, push it up with my thumb like this, and then you can either take the first one out, all of them out, fan through the cards. Of course, I won't do that on the internet. Slide them back in here like this here. Now, what I would personally do, now again, that 6 cards, obviously I do have more cards. One is a steel card as well, and it gives you the thickness here, as you can see, my fingernail, of course, compared to how the wallet is. So still a very minimalistic look to it here. Now, what I would personally do is have your most used card on the top or on the back, and then sliding it in like this here. So your most used card, let me go ahead and switch that up for internet purposes. So I push up with my thumb here. Now my most used card is in the back, and I don't want my license rolling out. And then I release my shopper's card, and of course, I can put that back in the front or the back, etc. Here's what cash looks like. What I do is I just fold it up. So here's obviously a $20 bill. Fold it in half, half again. And then what I do is, again, just slip it in the little slot like this here. Again, if you pull too hard, it'll come off the magnets, but you definitely can go this way, get your fingernail under there, slip in your money, and bada bing, bada boom. Now, with that said, let me go ahead and remove this and show you that if you want to go ahead and switch out, it's very easy to do with the elastic strap to the cash strap. And if you are wondering, cash strap does have that with some little traction dots right there so your cash doesn't slip out the bottom of it there. Little logo there on the top. So let me show you here. This is the back of the plate. We'll show you how quickly, and you can put this on either side. So when it's like this, you can have the cash strap on this side or this side. For this purpose, we'll just do it on this side. So the money clip slips in right here, comes down, clicks into place in those little notches there. And if you do want to remove it, I just grab underneath here and pull that way. But as you can see here, it clips into the little grooves here on either side, so it doesn't matter. So that clips in nice and secure there until, of course, you lift it up like I just showed you. And then let's go ahead and click that back in. And then, of course, if you'd rather have a money clip, which some people do, if they want to be a little bit more fancier and show off their money a little bit more, then of course the money clip is an option for you. Every wallet does come with the money clip or the cash strap as well, not to mention the cover plates as well. Some really cool features for this wallet. Now let's show you, now this would be really cool for a gift, etc. Let's go ahead and move the wallet out of the way for right now. And this is gonna be our Axe bottle opener here. This is CNC machined. There's a key ring hole on it. And let's check this out. How cool is that right there? That's gonna be a conversation starter for sure. You do have a little keychain loop right here if you wanna hook something on there. And then of course your battle axe, you would go ahead and open up your bottles here or here. I don't have any bottles in the house right now, or I'd show you that. You guys get the idea with that there. Anyway, as you can see, it has a nice little size to it, not too big, not too small. And that'd be pretty cool to, at a barbecue, throw that around. Pop the tops off of your beautiful root beer. Eat your nice little burger with that one. Guys, whatever color you do go with, top link in the description box below will be that direct link where you guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you'd like videos like this, as well as other tech-related videos, DIY projects, van life builds, and more. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now, and you have a wonderful day. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.